Hey fans, this is Farris asking you to show your support for the American Cancer Society throughout the month of May by attending a Nashville Sounds game. Please mention the word cancer when you order your tickets, as $4 from select tickets will be donated to the American Cancer Society. Thanks for your support. Go Sounds!
Imagine a world with more birthdays. A world where cancer is scarce. 11 million survivors show the progress we've made and prove that it's not just a dream. We're the American Cancer Society. Help create a world with more birthdays at morebirthdays.com.